Regarding heating unit for distillation, we did an in-depth study. Around 1997, flat-bottom tank is commonly used. After 2010, a new design emerged. The tank in U-shape gets popular. What is the benefit then? First, bide your area for heat exchange. Second, prevent deposition. For flat type, the scale formation will block the heat, decrease the heating efficiency. For U-type tank, main heating area are on the sides, not at the bottom. So U-type is more efficient than flat type. One more advantage of U-type tank, that is prevent acidification. Bottom's temperature is low, sides temperature are high. And regarding decontamination, flat bottom costs more labor. Decontamination is required every 3 or 5 distillation. If not, the distillation function will fail because of the scale formation. U-type tank do not have that trouble. Scale formation will not affect the heating. Karn dry cleaning machine do not require frequent decontamination. But after 15 times of distill, 20 times is also okay. Less labor cost. Heating on the sides. Guarantee the heating efficiency. Distillation speed always keep quick. More than 80 L per hour. For 8 kg capacity. 10 kg has higher distillation speed. And if the machine use steam heating, then will achieve higher distill speed, as steam costs less on preheat. Steam heating takes 70 minutes. Electric heating takes 70 minutes to finish 1 tank distillation. And U-shape has better aqua-spaced heating.